Imagine camping and actually sleeping well, even after the sun comes up. No bright light waking you early. No heat trapped inside your tent. This is the Coleman Carlsbad Dark Room Tent, designed for comfort, privacy, and easy outdoor living. Thanks to dark room technology, this tent blocks up to 90% of sunlight. That means a cooler interior during the day and better sleep in the morning, even after sunrise. The tent also features a separate screened porch measuring 10 by 5 feet. It's perfect for relaxing, storing gear, or enjoying fresh air without worrying about bugs. When it comes to weather protection, Coleman's WeatherTec system keeps you dry and secure. With patented welded floors and protected seams, water stays outside even during heavy rain. Setup is quick and simple. The fast pitch system uses pre-attached, color-coded poles and a hub design, so you can set up the tent in just minutes with less effort. Inside, the tent offers plenty of space. It measures 10 by 9 feet with a center height of 5 feet 8 inches, giving you room to move comfortably. It can easily fit 2 queen-size airbeds, making it ideal for families or small groups. The built-in e-port allows you to bring electrical power inside the tent, perfect for lights, fans, or charging devices. Made from PFAS-free materials and backed by a 1-year limited warranty, this tent is a reliable and safe choice for camping trips. If you're looking for a cooler, darker, and more comfortable camping experience, the Coleman Carlsbad Dark Room Tent is an excellent option. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability, and upgrade your next camping trip.